So question 1 that we have here, here are some shapes on a square grid, you can see here. So write down the position of the triangle. So we need to write down the position of the triangle. So if you see here, the triangle is here, you see, which is at E and 2. So we are going to write down the answer as E2 here. E2. Okay. Now a shop has 245 magazines. The shop sells 79 magazines. How many left? 245 minus 79. 15 minus 9 is 6. Here will be 13. Again 13 minus 7 is 6. 166 magazines, right? Now the next one. Here is a quadrilateral. Write the letters of the angles in order from smallest to largest. So if you see, this is the smallest angle, which is acute, and bigger than this will be this one, which is 90, and this one is number 3, and this is the biggest angle. So we are going to write down the letter for each, because we are writing here the letter. Read carefully the instructions, right? So we have the letter here, and the first one is C. Then number 2 is B, then number 3 is D, then we have A, right? So next one, let's see, we have there here, this table shows how many people visited an aquarium each day for a week, right? So we have Monday to Sunday, all the days of week here. So the key represents one fish represents 20 people, right? So how many more people visited aquarium on Sunday than Thursday? So we are comparing Saturday and Thursday, sorry. Thursday, if you see, there are 20 times 2, that is 40 fishes. And here on Saturday we have 5, so that means 20 times 5, which is 100. Okay. So and we are looking for the difference. So 100 minus we have 40, which is 60. So final answer is 60 people. Okay. Now next one we have here, complete this multiplication square. So we have a square here. If you see, we have 4 times 3 12, 4 times 5 is 20, then 4 times what gives you 36, it is 9. Then here something times 3 is 18. So 18 divided by 3 is 6, so it will give you 6. 6 times 3 is 18, 6 times 5 30, 6 times 9 is 54, and then 2 times 3 is 6, right?